it's Dani Venn here, and I'm so excited that you have in your hot little hand a jar of my very own Sri Lankan style Jaffna curry. Now I'm going to show you two different ways that you can cook this curry sauce. We're going to start with a fish curry. To get started, all you really need is some nice white firm fish. I've got a pan on the heat and I've added a little bit of coconut oil into my pan. Now this is really simple. All you're going to do is pop the fish straight into our pan, sear it on both sides until it's half cooked. You don't want to overcook it. All right, so I'm going to add in a jar of my Sri Lankan style Jaffna curry straight into my fry pan. We just want to simmer the sauce for a few minutes just to reduce it slightly before we pop the fish back into the sauce to finish off cooking. Okay, we might put our fish back into the sauce now. I'm just going to let that simmer for a few minutes just so that fish is really slowly and gently cooking in a lower heat. Okay, this fish looks beautiful and tender. Curry's reduced slightly, and I always love finishing with some beautiful coriander too.
So the next curry I would love to share with you is a vegetarian version of the Jaffna curry.
And quite simply, I've roasted some pumpkin in the oven until it's nice and golden and caramelized and quite tender. Popped in about a tablespoon of coconut oil into my pan, and I'm just going to add straight into my pan a jar of my Sri Lankan style simmer sauce. So after a few minutes of simmering the sauce, I'm going to add the roast pumpkin straight in. And I'm always looking for ways to add in some extra greens. So I'm going to pop in as well a few handfuls of spinach. Give that a good stir. So I'm going to pop my pumpkin and spinach curry onto my serving plate. So I've got some brown rice and quinoa here. I've got some beautiful papadums here. I'm going to finish off with some extra coriander. I hope you've picked up some tips and tricks on how to make a really simple but very, very delicious curry at home. Thanks.